Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Memeland coin pre-market price. A rising star on major exchanges. The buzz around Memeland coin, meme, is reaching new heights as it prepares to take the crypto world by storm. With its pre-market activity gaining traction, traders and investors are closely monitoring its performance across some of the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, including Bybit, Binance, OKX, Bigit, Gate.io, and more. Memeland coin has quickly captured the interest of global investors thanks to its robust fundamentals and growing community support. As it gears up for its full launch, early predictions for its pre-market prices are creating excitement among traders eager to get in early and capitalize on potential price surges. Let's dive deeper into the latest Memeland coin pre-market prices on major exchanges and understand why this token is making waves. Why is Memeland coin creating such a stir? Memeland coin isn't just another cryptocurrency. It represents a project that merges blockchain innovation with community-driven utility. With the backing of a strong developer team, creative marketing strategies, and integration into the broader Web3 ecosystem, Memeland coin stands out as a token with real-world potential. Key factors driving the excitement include: promising market entry. Memeland coin is being listed on top-tier exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and OKX, which signals strong market confidence. Global appeal. With a growing user base in regions like India and Southeast Asia, Memeland coin is gaining traction as a promising investment. Pre-market hype. Early predictions of its price have sparked significant interest, particularly as traders aim to secure positions before the token's full market debut. Memeland coin pre-market prices on major exchanges. Bybit, a hotspot for early trading. Predicted price, $00.06724. Bybit has emerged as a key platform for Memeland coin's pre-market activity. The predicted price of $00.06724 has caught the attention of traders aiming to capitalize on early movements. The exchange has also started displaying live updates, allowing investors to track price fluctuations in real time. Binance, the anticipation builds. Predicted price, $00.0604. While Memeland coin's full listing on Binance is yet to be confirmed, early predictions hint at an exciting launch. The projected pre-market price of $00.0604 reflects growing demand and rising interest from Binance's global user base. A Binance listing would further cement Memeland coin's reputation as a must-watch token. XT Exchange, a promising start. Predicted price, $00.06456. XT Exchange is seeing a surge in interest from investors keen on Memeland coin. The platform has reported a pre-market prediction of $00.06456, drawing attention from traders looking to secure positions ahead of the official launch. OKX, a growing favorite. Predicted price, $00.060584. OKX has quickly become a preferred platform for Memeland coin enthusiasts. With a predicted pre-market price of $00.060584, OKX is fostering early excitement among investors seeking profitable opportunities. Gate.io, riding the hype wave. Predicted price, $00.06654. Gate.io has positioned itself as a key exchange for early Memeland coin trading. The pre-market price prediction of $00.06654 has spurred interest among traders eager to participate in the coin's initial phase. BingX, a high performer. Predicted price, $00.06984. BingX's forecast for Memeland coin places it at a strong $00.06984, making it one of the higher pre-market price estimates. This has attracted a wave of traders looking to maximize gains. Bigit momentum gathers. Predicted price, $0.0666954. BitGet's pre-market activity for Memeland coin is gaining momentum, with an estimated price of $0.0666954. Traders on the platform are preparing for potential profits as the token builds traction. MEXC, a platform to watch. Predicted price, $0.06654. MEXC's pre-market estimate of $0.06654 highlights the token's potential growth. Investors are closely following its progress, looking for opportunities to position themselves for success. The Indian connection, Memeland coin in INR. Memeland coin has sparked significant interest among Indian investors, who are monitoring its pre-market price in INR. India's growing crypto market is a critical driver for the token, with traders looking for alternatives to traditional assets. Platforms offering INR trading pairs are expected to play a significant role in the token's success. How to stay updated on Memeland coin. To keep up with Memeland coin's pre-market progress, follow major exchanges. Platforms like Bybit, Binance, OKX, and Gate.io provide real-time updates. Track social media. Stay engaged with Memeland coin's official channels for announcements and community discussions. Leverage analytics tools. Use crypto analytics platforms to track price changes, trading volume, and market trends. Final thoughts. Is Memeland coin the next big thing? With its pre-market prices already creating excitement, Memeland coin is poised to make a strong entry into the cryptocurrency market. The combination of strategic exchange listings, community support, and market potential makes it a token worth watching. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to crypto, Memeland coin's early momentum offers opportunities to participate in a promising project. As always, do your research and invest wisely.